Hello everyone, I'm Jason with MainStreetEnglish.com, here with your Word of the Day video. In this video, let's talk about and use the adjective integral. Integral. Now, before we continue, I must note that integral is one of those English words that has multiple pronunciations. You can say it as I just have, integral, or you can say integral. Also worth noting, this word can be used as an adjective and a noun. When people use this as a noun, they will tend to use the pronunciation integral. When it's the adjective, they will tend to use integral. As this Word of the Day video is using this word as an adjective, I'm going to refer to it as integral. Now, what does integral mean? Well, it can be used to describe something that is very important or necessary. Let's practice using integral in a few sentences. Vegetables are an integral part of our diet. He's an integral part of the team, and we can't do it without him. Sugar is an integral ingredient in any cake recipe. Look for opportunities to use the adjective integral in your everyday English usage. I'm Jason with MainStreetEnglish.com. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe to receive notifications of new English video lessons created by Main Street English. Thank you and see you next time.